Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 12th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far, but it's a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48, and pretty much pretty quiet in the north central tropical Atlantic. Just a little bit of activity to the north, but that's associated with a cold frontal boundary. Just a little upper level low. We got scattered activity over South America. Still got that little flare up of precipitation here in the northwestern Caribbean Sea and also southwestern Caribbean Sea as well. But look like that's kind of dwindling. And the other day it looked like it was getting a little better organized, but that cold front shifted a little further to the south, kind of shredded it apart. We got more scattered activity in the eastern Pacific. We got more atmospheric moisture over here in the western U.S. from offshore of the Washington, Oregon, and California coast. Also some activity inland across Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, through Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, down to Arizona, Nevada, and Southern California, and the Baja regions as well. You can see it pretty quiet from the central U.S. to the east coast. That little clipper system here moving across the northeast from New York State over toward Maine. So there's your tropical overview. Looks pretty quiet at this time. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road there, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Just make the more thumbs up button, the like button, the more the video gets showed, the more viewers, and I can grow my channel as well. Alright, here's your Thursday forecast. Got some shower activity along coastal areas of Maine, mixed precipitation from Maine and New Hampshire to Vermont, New York State, Pennsylvania, up here to eastern Lake Superior, over here toward Lake Huron, toward Ottawa, Canada. Then we got more over here toward Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon, a little bit in Wyoming, Nevada, and California region as well. Shower activity in Idaho, a little bit in Oregon State, western Oregon, western Washington. Thunderstorms and showers from central southern California and the coastal waters. Got some heavy rain, flash flooding here over central and northern California. Got some heavy snow in the mountains of California. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to your Friday forecast, and it should roll out something like this here in just a few minutes. Okay, still waiting on it to upload all the information to it, and here we go. Got mixed precipitation up here from Maine to New Hampshire to Vermont and New York State to Pennsylvania. A little bit of shower activity in the coastal waters off the Massachusetts, Connecticut area. More showers across areas of Virginia, North Carolina, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, and portions of Illinois. Also more activity up in northern Minnesota, South Canada, stretching in North Dakota, back into Montana. Also more shower activity along Washington, Oregon, and the California regions as well in the coastal waters. Thunderstorms and showers for central and southern California to the northern Baja region to Arizona. Also in the Utah and southern Nevada. Got some heavy snow over California mountains. Mixed precipitation in California, Nevada, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Montana, toward Wyoming and Utah region as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Even got some flash flooding and heavy rain over southern California also. I forgot about that. But anyway, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map of your location across the nation. And it should roll out something like this. Here we go. You can see we got some small craft advisory gale warning from Maine all the way down to the South Carolina coast. Also about 250 nautical miles offshore. A little bit up here around Lake Superior. Then more over here from Southern California to Washington State. We got some storm warnings in the purple. We got high wind watches over Montana. We got more wind advisories over Arizona, Nevada, and California. You can see we got some flood watches, some winter storm warnings, and winter weather advisories over the mountains and portions of central California region as well. Alright, we got high surf warning, wind advisories, and the small craft advisories around the Hawaiian chain island and inland areas as well. Freezing spray warnings to the north and northwest and western areas of Alaska, southwestern areas, just some small craft advisories. Alright, let's move on to the storm prediction center outlook. This is day 2, and we just have some general thunderstorms over here from San Francisco to Sacramento just north of Reno, and a little bit in the coastal waters there as well for your day 2. Alright, here's a look at the heavy snow probability across the lower 48. We should be able to take a look at it here in just a few minutes. You can see we have a slight risk of heavy snow over here in portion of Montana, Idaho, also in the areas of Wyoming, Utah, also in the portions of Colorado, New Mexico, and also into portion of Arizona. Some heavy snow possible. This is only a slight risk. This is through 11:20 through 11:26 in this region here for heavy snow. I showed you in the snow map last night. That was pretty much where they highlighted it at already here by the Climate Prediction Center here for heavy snowfall for a slight risk. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.